Hello everyone. My name is Frank and today I'm happy to welcome you to our channel. Today we're ready to show you how to use our new system QRM.ge, which will help you significantly simplify your work in your establishment and improve guest service. We'll try to make everything as clear and accessible as possible so that you can quickly start using the system and get all its benefits. Let's get started. QRM.ge is a restaurant management system that helps streamline and simplify restaurant operations. It offers a range of features, including menu management, online ordering, waiter call, order notifications, and more, all designed to enhance the customer experience and improve efficiency in restaurant management. Now we will create a menu on the constructor QRM.ge. Step number 1: Registration. To start using the QRM.ge system, you need to complete a simple registration. To do this, click on the registration button on the QRM.ge website and fill in the following fields. Business name. After registration, your menu will be automatically created at menu.qrm.ge/businessname/1. Email. Your email will be used as your login for receiving receipts, changing passwords, and accessing your account. Password. Create a secure password to access your account. After filling in all the fields, click the Register button and you will gain access to your personal account and the main functions of the system. Step number 2: Setting up your restaurant. After registering and logging into your personal account on QRM.ge, you need to set up your establishment for more convenient interaction with guests. In this section, you need to fill in the following fields. Restaurant name. Restaurant description. Number of tables. A unique QR code will be created for each table for receiving notifications. Currency. Service charge percentage. The specified percentage is added to the order. Address. Restaurant opening hours. Wi-Fi network name and password. Logo and brand colors. Links to your restaurant's social media pages. Step number 3: Menu. Create categories for dishes. Add dishes, filling in the following fields. Name. Description. Price. Preparation time. Weight. And photo, if available. After adding a category or dish, you can edit its name, description, price, hide it from the menu, move it, or delete it. If you need to add a translation of the category or dish name, select the desired language in the right part of the corresponding field. Step number 4: Templates. Go to the Templates section and download the PDF file for printing. Place the QR codes on the tables according to the table numbers. Step 5: Notifications. To connect notifications, follow these steps. In the Employees section, create an employee profile by filling in the fields first name, last name, position, and email. Save the employee profile. Copy the unique link to the bot and send it to the employee so they can connect to the system. The employee should follow the link and confirm their connection to the system. Now, guests can place their order using the QR code on the table, and the employee will receive a notification about the new order. The employee can accept the order and send it to the kitchen. If you have a kitchen, you can set up notifications for the chefs so they can receive information about new orders and begin preparing them. Finishing up this video tutorial, I want to wish you luck in mastering new knowledge and hope that this information will be useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss future video tutorials and educational materials. Thank you for your attention, and see you on our channel next time.